imagine if you could turn your deepest desires into reality just by catching a mood. Intrigued? Welcome to our transformative video where we unravel the secrets of the the mood technique. The Catch the Mood technique is a manifestation technique developed by Neville Goddard, a new thought philosopher and author. It focuses on shifting your emotional state to match the feeling of having your desire already fulfilled, rather than focusing on the specifics of how it will happen. Forget about mere visualization. It's time to feel your way to fulfillment. So, are you ready to catch the mood and manifest your dreams? The core of the Catch the Mood technique lies in using your imagination and emotions to embody the feeling of having your desire already fulfilled. Goddard believed that our emotions are a reflection of our inner state, and by deliberately cultivating positive emotions, we can influence the outer world to align with them. Let's break down the key steps of this technique. Identify your desire. Imagine standing at the edge of a universe filled with infinite possibilities. What if you could pluck out one of these possibilities and make it your reality? Sounds exciting, doesn't it? That's exactly where our journey begins. The first step is to identify your desire. It's like setting the destination for your cosmic GPS. Your desire could be anything: a loving relationship, a successful career, or even a state of inner peace. The key is to be specific and clear. Picture your desire in vivid detail, as if you're painting a masterpiece. Remember, the universe loves clarity. So, let's dive in and start by defining what you truly want. Clearly define what you want to manifest. It could be a specific relationship, career success, or a feeling of inner peace. Be specific and clear about your desire. Imagine the fulfilled state. I'm saying this. You're standing on the peak of your dreams, the summit of your desires. You've climbed the mountain of challenges, and now you're basking in the glory of success. Close your eyes and let the scene unfold in your mind's eye. See yourself in that moment of triumph, having already achieved what you've been striving for. It's not just about the scene, it's about the emotions that flood over you, the joy that bubbles up from within, the love that swells in your heart, the gratitude that humbles you, the excitement that makes your heart race. Feel these emotions as if they were real, because in your mind they are. This is the power of visualization. It's not just about seeing, it's about feeling. It's about immersing yourself in the experience of success before it even happens. Now imagine being able to harness this power anytime, anywhere. That's what our video is all about. It's a journey into the power of the mind, a guide to using visualization to manifest your dreams. Let's do this. Close your eyes and vividly imagine yourself having already achieved your desire. Don't just visualize the scene, but focus on the emotions you would be experiencing in that state. Joy, love, gratitude, excitement, etc. Amplify the feeling. Picture this. You're not just imagining your success, you're living it. You're not just a spectator, you're the star of the show. This is the essence of amplifying the feeling. Immerse yourself completely in the emotion you desire. Let it wash over you like a wave. Let it seep into every pore. Let it fill every corner of your being. Engage all your senses. What do you see in this moment of triumph? What sounds fill the air? Is there a taste of victory on your tongue? Can you feel the weight of the trophy in your hands? Can you smell the sweet scent of success? Allow this positive feeling to envelop you, to become a part of you. Let it radiate from you like a beacon. Let it shine like a lighthouse in the dark. This is not just about imagining, it's about experiencing. It's about making your dreams so real, so tangible that you can almost reach out and touch them. So immerse yourself completely in the desired emotion. Engage all your senses. What do you see here? Smell, taste, and touch in your imagined scenario. Allow the positive feeling to fill your entire being. Dwell in the mood. Imagine you're in a serene garden, the air filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers. This is your sanctuary, your haven of dreams and desires. Don't rush out of this visualization. Instead, dwell in it. Let the tranquility seep into your conscious mind, permeating every thought, every feeling. Stay in this feeling for as long as possible. Like a bird basking in the warmth of the morning sun, let it saturate your conscious mind, coloring your thoughts with hues of success and achievement. Let it seep into your subconscious, planting seeds of belief that will grow into towering trees of confidence. The longer you dwell in this state, the stronger your belief in your manifestation becomes. It's like a river carving its path through a mountain. The longer it flows, the deeper it cuts, the more indelible its mark. Your belief is that river. Your dreams are the mountain, and your visualization is the force that drives. Don't rush out of the visualization. Stay in the feeling for as long as possible. Let it permeate your thoughts, words, and actions, letting it saturate your conscious mind and potentially seep into your subconscious. The longer you dwell, the stronger the belief in your manifestation becomes. Detach and allow. Imagine you're a sailor setting sail on the vast ocean of your dreams. You've charted your course, you've set your compass, and now it's time to let the winds of the universe guide you. This is the essence of detaching and allowing. Release your visualization like a bird taking flight. Let it soar high into the sky of your consciousness. Let it glide on the winds of your desires. Go about your day, but keep a piece of that dream tucked away in your heart like a precious gem. Trust in the process. Trust that by embodying the desired mood, you have set the energetic wheels in motion for its physical manifestation. It's like planting a seed and trusting that with the right amount of sunlight and water, it will grow into a beautiful tree. Don't obsess over the outcome. Don't stand over the seed, constantly digging it up to see if it's growing. Instead, continue to cultivate the positive feeling whenever possible. Water it with your belief, nourish it with your desire, and let nature take its course. Release your visualization and go about your day. Trust that by embodying the desired mood, you have set the energetic wheels in motion for its physical manifestation. Don't obsess over the outcome, but continue to cultivate the positive feeling whenever possible. Repeat and persist. Imagine you're a sculptor, meticulously chiseling away at a block of marble. Each stroke is deliberate, each action bringing you closer to the masterpiece hidden within. This is not a one-time exercise. It's a journey of persistence and repetition. Consistently practice catching the desired mood. Like a sculptor who knows that every stroke, every detail matters. Even on days when the marble seems too hard, the vision too distant, persist. Even when you don't feel like it, especially when you don't feel like it, because that's when true transformation happens. This is not just about visualization. It's about perseverance. It's about showing up for yourself day after day, moment after moment. It's about understanding that success is not a destination, but a journey, and every step on this journey counts. This is not a one-time exercise. Consistently practice catching the desired mood, even when you don't feel like it. Do it consistently throughout the day, whenever you have a spare moment. The more you dwell in the desired feeling, the stronger your belief becomes. Key points to remember. It's not about visualization. It's about feeling. You don't need to see a specific image in your mind. Just focus on the emotion. This belief is crucial. Truly believe that you already have what you desire. This reinforces the feeling and sends a powerful signal to the universe. Persistence is key. Don't get discouraged if results don't come immediately. Keep practicing and trusting the process. Remember, the catch the mood technique is a tool, not a guarantee. It requires practice, belief, and persistence. But if you're willing to put in the effort, it can be a powerful way to manifest your desires.